Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how we can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. You can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using your mobile application or website. In this video, I'm going to use the mobile app. Launch open the Coinbase application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account first. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the Buy and Sell option at the bottom left corner. Click the Buy button in the pop-up and, using the search box, search for Bitcoin by typing down Bitcoin or simply select Bitcoin from the list of assets. Once you select the Bitcoin button, go ahead and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Choose your payment method and follow through the prompts. Carefully review your order and make sure to view the purchase details on the app, including the amount of Bitcoin you are buying, the total cost, and any transaction fees. Finally, click on Buy Now and you will be able to complete your Bitcoin purchase. Just make sure that your Coinbase account is verified with your ID and proof of address to avoid any limitation on buying or selling crypto. So that's how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Coinbase in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.